repertory company and also 1K show. So we do theater, and I would like to congratulate everyone kasi wow, really impressive, especially the technical team, the sound, the lights, and especially the choreo and the acting. Yun. Super galing. Tapos really introspective, lalo na yung ending, like letting the audience simmer sa corpse, tapos iniwan sila. Very morally introspective. So sabi ko, wow, galing. Good job. Tapos, ayun, siguro much more on the psychological aspect kasi nilinaw din naman natin na it was in the mind of the people. No? Gusto ko lang rin bigyan ng significance na this is a good staging right now. No? Kasi there are ongoing wars around the world, and ayun, siguro yun na rin yung tanong ko, ano yung significance ng staging nitong Bangaw sa panahon ngayon? Para ma-expound ng dramaturgy and also if the director is available.
Yeah, let's start with Leo.
Hello po, ako ulit. Siguro po, first gusto ko muna i-comment si Ate Gold. Ate Gold, congrats po. Yes, naman natin si Ate Gold. She is our writer, and yung Bangaw po kasi it's not exactly an adaptation talaga ng Lord of the Flies. It's inspired, it's set in the future eh. Katulad nga po na sinabi nyo, it's about the war. So, yung setting po namin, it's during the war that we are, manifest. Pero, based on the happenings that's been happening, based on the happenings that has been happening, parang near future yung Bangaw eh. Yung, di ba, sa sinabi ng piloto, he mentioned the war between Israel and Gaza, and Israel and Ukraine, and all the wars in the world. It's a near future na, and although, if you know guys, yung film na The Banshees of Inisherin, yung war, it's not an afterthought, pero it's the driving force of the whole plot. And I think that's what Bangaw is as well. And I think Bangaw is important because it serves as a mirror to our current generation, our current society na if we don't check ourselves or if we don't evaluate ourselves in our psyche, how we feel towards people, our empathy, if we don't check if we still have that empathy that is innate in everyone. Pag pinapanalo natin yung halimaw in us, that's what's going to happen. We will continue to have wars. We will continue to become deranged. We will continue to become evil because we don't check that part of ourselves. And I think that's very important because a lot of wars are driven by the pride of men in general. And ayun, people like our interpretation of Jack are the reason why there are wars. And if we don't check ourselves, if we don't let empathy win or humanity win, yun na lang, kahit humanity na lang, we will continue to have wars and people will continue to suffer. Ayun.
Yeah. Anyway,